Hello guys, today I will discuss about making of the constitution. Okay, let's go to the lecture first. Demand for a constitution assembly. Demand for a constitution assembly. Okay, idea of constitution assembly for India was put forward for the first time by Amin Roy 1934. After the 1935 National Congress first time officially demanded a constitution assembly to frame the constitution of India. Then demand was accepted and principle by the British government in known as the August Offer in 1940. But what is the August Offer? The August Offer was made by the Viceroy 1940. He is promising the expansion of the Executive Council of the Viceroy of India to include more Indian and establishment of a advisory or council giving full weight to the minorities' opinion and the recognized of India and right to the frame their own constitution after the end of the war. Okay. In return, it was hoped that all parties and communities in the India would cooperate and British effort in World War II. However, this proposal was rejected by the Congress as the minorities, especially Muslim leagues, were assured that no constitutional scheme was the expected to the government without the agreement and providing a veto power to the Muslim League. The Muslim League expected the offer as it gave a clear assurance that a separate Pakistan would be established. Okay. Constitution Committee of the Constitution Assembly, three-type committee: Mayor Committee, Minor Committee, and Drafting Committee. Okay, and the Constitution Assembly appointed a member of the committee to deal with different texts with constitution making. Out of these, 8 were major committees and other were minor committee. Okay. The Constitution Assembly held its first meeting on December 9, 1946. The Muslim League boycotted the meeting and there were demands on a separate state of Pakistan. The meeting was those and attended by only 211 members, and Dr. Sachinandra Sinha, the oldest member, was elected on temporary president of the assembly. Okay, and vice president Rajendra Prasad. Objective resolution. Okay, first, the foster unity of the nation and ensure it is economic and political security, to have a written constitution and to the proclaim and as sovereign democratic and republic. Three main thing: a sovereign democrat and a republic. Okay, and to have a federal from the government with a distribution power between center and state. Okay, and any other, the guaranteed and sure justice, equality, etc. action to all people of the India. Okay, then the provide adequate safeguard for minorities and backward and tribal areas and other backward class, and the to mention the integrity of the territory of the republic and sovereign and right on land, sea, and air according to the law, civilization, and nation. Other function performed: it ratified the India membership of the Commonwealth in May 1949, okay, and it adopted the national flag on July 22, 1947, okay, and adopted the national anthem 24 January 1950, okay, and adopted the national song 24 January 1950, and elected Dr. Rajendra Prasad as the first president of the India on January 24, 1950. Okay. Silent features of the Indian Constitution. Okay. The Indian Constitution is unique in its content and spirit. Though borrowed from almost every constitution of the world, the Constitution of the India has several silent features that distinguished it from a constitution of the other countries. Okay. Silent features of the constitution. Okay. First, lengthiest unwritten constitution. The Indian constitution are classified into the written, okay, but like the American constitution or are written like the British constitution, okay. The constitution of the India is the longest of all the written constitution in the world. It is a very comprehensive, collaborate and detailed document, okay. Originally, the Indian constitution contained a preamble, okay, 395 article, 300 395 article divided into 22 parts and 8 schedule, but presently 2019 it consists of a preamble about 470 article divided into 25 parts and 12 schedule. Total 4 factors have contributed to the elephant size of our constitution. Okay, they are: first, geography factor, then historical factor, then single constitution for both the center and state. Okay, four, dominance of legal luminaries in the Constitution Assembly. Integrated and independent judiciary. The Indian Constitution establishes a judiciary system that is integrated as well as independent. Okay. Universal adult franchises. Universal adult franchise. The Indian Constitution adopts universal adult franchises as a basic election to the Lok Sabha and the state legislative assemblies. Okay, every citizen who is not less than 80 years ago has a right vote without any discrimination of caste, race, religion, sex, anybody. Okay, the voting age was reduced to 80 years from to 21 years in the 1989 by the 61 Constitutional Amendment Act of 1988. Three-tier government. Okay, the originally the Indian Constitution, like any other federal constitution, provide for a dual polity and continent preferences with regard to the organization and part of the center and state. Okay, later the 73 and 74 Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 have added a three-tier government which is not found in any other constitution of the world. The 73 Amendment Act of the 1992 gave constitutional recognized to the rural local government by adding new Part 9 and new Schedule 11 to the Constitution, and 74 Amendment Act of 1992 gave constitutional recognized to the municipalities urban local government by adding a new Part 9A and new Schedule 12 to the Constitution. Equality fundamental right. The Indian Constitution fundamental right to all the citizens. 1. Right to equality, Article 14 to 18. Right to freedom, Article 19 to 22. Right against exploitation, Article 23 to 24. Right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28. Culture and educational right, 29 and 30 number of articles. Right constitution reminded, Article 32. Okay.